If you guys are new to the channel, I just started a challenge where I bought this bike off of Facebook Marketplace for $100. The only thing is, it doesn't freaking work. Let me show you guys really quick. So if you turn the bike on, LCD screen works, right? Shows that we have battery. The bike is on, it's in pedal assist 5. I'm gonna hit the throttle, and then it just cuts out. If I hit it again, it cuts out. Now technically, I can ride this bike. If I just like keep hitting the throttle like this, it actually moves. Who wants to ride like that? Also, the pedal assist does not work at all. I have a couple ideas. First, we're gonna start simple and we're gonna look at the parameter settings. We're gonna go ahead and hit the up and down arrow at the same time. PO1 is screen brightness. PO2 is unit of measurement. PO3 is battery voltage. We're gonna leave that at 48. PO4 is display timer. We're gonna leave that at 10 minutes. They skipped over PO5. PO6 is supposed to be 20. They skipped over 7. 8 is speed limit. PO9, 0 means the throttle works from a complete stop. 1 means you must be pedaling first. So we're gonna do 0. P10, throttle and pedal assist toggle. So 0 is pedal assist only, 1 is throttle only, 2 is both. P11, pedal assist sensitivity. P12 is pedal assist strength. It was set to 4. We're gonna set that up to 1. Maybe it's just like pulling too much power and it's cutting out. P13, they skipped over. P14 skipped over. P15 skipped over. P16 is odometer reset. And they skipped all the way to 22. What's 22? 22 is pedal assist speed setting. Let's see if the bike works. No, it just cuts out still. All right, that didn't help one bit. I'm thinking we dissect the bike, guys, to be honest with you. All right, guys, so next thing we're gonna do is open up this bike, take a look at that controller, see if there's anything unplugged. There is the battery right there, it's looking crusty. There is the controller. These are looking crusty too. Let's go ahead and pop this off. You just have to remove these 4 screws right here and it comes right off. So this is the battery connector right here. I'm gonna go ahead and just unplug it for now. Here's the controller. This is a 48 volt controller, 39 volt cutoff. Current limit is 15 amps. It's for the M5 display. I'm gonna go ahead and just unplug everything and then we're just gonna reconnect it. All right, so the controller is completely unplugged. Let's go ahead and plug it back in. All right, let's turn it on. It's in pedal assist 5. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Weak. Looks like the controller is not the issue, unless we just need a new controller. The bike is looking clean though, right? Got the BMX bars on the joint. DavidBrandNew.com. You already know. This joint is so light. I love this bike. What's up, guys? It's a brand new day and I am determined to get this freaking bike working. We're gonna try some new stuff. First off, we're going to try to unplug these brake cables right here and see if that'll solve the issue. So how these work is if you are engaging the throttle or pedal assist and then you hit the brakes, it'll cut the power to the motor. And let's see if the bike works. That would be amazing, dude. That's a simple freaking fix. Let's see. It's in pedal assist 5, power is on. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, go. Nope, still cuts out. Yeah, we're just gonna dissect this battery, really. I feel like it's a battery issue. This video series is sponsored by Turtleneck Stem. Head over to DavidBrandNew.com, get you a Turtleneck Stem if you wanna upgrade to BMX handlebars, all right? And still keep that foldability. Looks 100 times better than stock. It rides way better. You're not gonna regret it. Check that out. Boom, bike folds up. You throw it in the back of your car, take it for a nice fun ride, and look fly while doing it. Let's go ahead and take this battery out. All right, guys, check this out. Look at that freaking lock. It definitely got wet. And then these prongs are freaking dusty. It has a screw right here. It's supposed to have another screw right here. I think somebody was already messing with this joint. I don't know. I might have got scammed, guys. We're gonna figure this out, guys. We are definitely gonna figure it out. I feel like we're getting closer and closer. Obviously, this is voiding the warranty. Like if I bought this bike new and did all this stuff, I would be voiding the warranty, but I highly doubt This bike has a warranty, so if you have a new bike, do not do any of this stuff, all right? Just contact Electric, let them know your bike is not working, all right? And they should send you new components if it is covered under warranty. Don't even try to do this. Do they always come with tape like that on there? What we got in here? This is where we're looking out the lock right here. XT60 connector. I'm gonna unplug it. Okay, perfect. We took this top piece off. This is all we're gonna worry about today. I really don't wanna dive in here. Basically, I wanna get it down to these prongs. I wanna see what they're looking like, and then I wanna clean them. I know there's a lot of people out there that want an e-bike, and they ain't got the money right now. So this might open their eyes to new possibilities. Boom, lock is out. Let's see if the freaking bike works, guys. This is the moment of truth right here. 3, 2, 1. Yes, we have freaking power. Yes. Pedal assist 5. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Wait, it's still the same thing. What the freak? That was a lot of work for nothing. What is it? Is it the motor? I don't want to freaking dissect the motor. Is it the throttle? Yeah, I can order a new throttle. Is it the LCD? Maybe it's the LCD. I might have a spare one. I need to find it. It's not the controller. It's not the battery. There's only a few other things that it could be, you know? It has to be one of these things. We're gonna save motor for last. I think the next thing we're gonna do is try to find that LCD screen from years ago. I'm talking 2020, guys. Guys, I think I got a solution to the problem, I'm not gonna lie. I'm excited. Guess what I freaking found at my dad's house? The old e-bike crate. This is the crate that we've had for 5+ years. It's got all old e-bike parts that we've used on prior projects. I'm pretty sure somewhere in here we have a LCD display, guys. All right, so we got some old panniers, a nice big old seat. God dang. Check out these bars. These are sick. Oh wow, look at this. This is the prototype for the turtleneck stem, guys. This is the very first turtleneck stem. We made it out of a long stock stem and just cut it down, and it should, yeah, it just folds right to the side. This is the prototype for what you guys see today. Oh look, this is like the beta version of it. This is like the first sample I ever got made of the turtleneck stem. Oh my gosh, Rock Band. If you know, you know. This is the freaking game right here. Uh-oh, guys. I think I found it, guys. I think I found the freaking LCD. Oh my God. There she is. Electric LCD screen. This is from the XP 1.0, guys. I think today is the day. We're gonna have a working bike. I was on Reddit. I was reading a lot of freaking posts. People were saying that you gotta get the matching LCD, the one that goes with the controller, guys. Look at this LCD and look at this one. They're basically the same, right? They're basically the same. That one says M5 on the top, but no electric branding. This is an M5 LCD, but it's bi-electric. Let's plug it up, guys. Enough wasting your time. Yes, they're both green. Oh my goodness, can y'all see? This is the moment of truth right here, guys. This is the moment we all been waiting for. Will it work? Let's see. I'll turn on the battery now. All right, here we go. We're gonna hold the M button. Guys, we have freaking power. You guys ready for this? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's freaking go. Let's go. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. The freak. We got cruise control on this joint? Hold on. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we got full power. We got full freaking power. Guys, I only spent $100 on this freaking bike. I only spent $100 freaking dollars on this bike. Let's go. Yes. Hey, it kind of seemed faster, I'm not gonna lie. It got some takeoff. Dude, I am hyped. Should we take it for a ride? We gotta take it for a first ride. You already know what we gotta do first. We gotta take this joint off-road. First ride, we gotta break it in. What's this car doing? What you doing, man? All right, here we go. Let's freaking go, dude. It's been so long. It's been so long. Hold on, do we got pedal assist? Hold on. Let me find out we got freaking pedal assist. Let's go. Can we go 28 pedaling? Hold on. We might have to do a top speed run. Woo, we are moving. We are moving. Oh, yes, yes. Let's go up. Oh my God. Oh shit. Oh shit, I almost flew off the front joint. Oh yeah, let's get some air. Woo. Oh yeah, I got no protection, by the way, just the helmet. I don't give a freak. Let's go. Hopefully no coyotes are out. Oh, yeah. No suspension. Whoo. This bike is moving, guys. It might be faster. Let me pedal. Oh yeah, we're flying. We're flying. Woo. Oh, $100 well spent. Let's go. Oh, woo. Oh, this is amazing. This is amazing. We're in the game, guys. I'm definitely keeping this bike. I was about to sell this joint. I'm not gonna lie, I was running out of ideas. All right, let's turn around. This is a coyote's den. Got me messed up. Hey, no, they're all in there watching me right now. They're watching my YouTube channel. Subscribe to Dave Brand New. I am hyped. Got the BMX bars on there. DaveBrandNew.com. Get you some BMX bars, turtleneck stem, giraffe neck stem, whatever you want. And get that joint. Support your boy. Let's freaking go. We're definitely gonna upgrade this joint. Let's go. Oh shit. Let's go downhill. Woo! Woo! Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Let's go. Look at the skill. Look at the freaking skill. How y'all doing today, man? Because I'm doing great. I'm doing amazing. This is amazing. This is what it's about right here, guys. Let's park it up. This is a good shot for the freaking bike. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have a working bike and it seems to be working better than stock. I freaking love you. You deserve a name. You deserve a freaking name. You know what I'm naming you? Leticia Jr. Guys, say hello to Leticia Jr. You can't tell me nothing. We got a working bike. What are we saying? What are we saying, George? This is just so emotional. I was running out of ideas. I almost gave up on this freaking bike. It's freaking working, dude. I didn't have no money. I didn't have no money to spend on this freaking bike, guys. I barely had money to pay rent. And it freaking worked from an old LCD screen that I had lying in a freaking box.